GutAlive has been developed to collect and transport fecal samples, preserving bacterial viability, composition, and diversity. It allows to standardize sample collection, perform microbiome analysis, bacteria isolation, and fecal microbiota transplantation.
Some of the main features are: generates an anaerobic atmosphere inside, it guarantees bacterial and DNA stability over 72 hours, it fits up to 120 grams, is a user-friendly device that contains all the necessary elements to facilitate sample collection, it's a medical device with IVD and CE labeling, and it has been included in normalized protocols of some medical societies.
Microbiome, developing novel biological drugs and microbiome-based therapies as personalized medicine. To get more information, check us out in our website, microbiable.com.